Beautiful day to be outside. It'd be a beautiful day if we had the Blues Fest going on.
Oh, it would be a spectacular day.
Yeah.
The temperatures are just right. The sun is shining. And, you know, that's the case for much of the Pacific Northwest, with the exception of the Oregon coast. Yeah, we got some of that marine layer of the clouds rolling their way back in along the shoreline. But overall, still sitting pretty comfortably along the coast, up into the 50s in many cases, as Portland enjoys those mid-70s at this point in time, flirting with some records, where we actually managed to break records this time yesterday, climbing just 1 degree shy of 80 degrees here in the Rose City. And just to put it all into perspective, our average daytime high temperature for early April should be right around 60 degrees. And we managed to tie records in Eugene, Springfield, Salem, and out towards Vancouver this time yesterday. Now slightly cooler, just by a couple of degrees. Portland at 76, 81 for Troutdale, mid to upper 70s out towards the Hood River area, as the mid to upper 50s are enjoyed with that cloud coverage out along the coast. But today's record to beat is 78 degrees here in the Rose City, last set back in 2009. 76 is all we've managed to bring ourselves up to. As far as the preliminary reports, we'll have a final say later tonight coming in from the Portland National Weather Service. But what is also skyrocketing, not only the mercury in our thermometers, but also the pollen count. Myself, a sufferer, and if you're like me, a lot of us are feeling the impacts over the past several days, and will continue to do so as we work our way to the end of the week. Because of the lack of moisture bringing a lot of that pollen down to the surface, it will be absent. So keep that allergy medication close at hand, as the sunny and cloud-free skies still remain here across the Pacific Northwest as we take a look back at the past several days of the month of April, giving us unfortunately a rain deficit of more than 1/10 of an inch, nearing that half-inch mark. But thankfully there is more moisture in sight over the next week, so I hope that we start to shrink that rain deficit as our temperatures, daytime highs sitting above the average by about 6 degrees, when our average temperature today should be at about 60 degrees, still sitting well above that, but we'll get closer to what's average as we start to work our way towards the next several days. But overall, by the end of April, on the 30th, 66 degrees is our new daytime high. That warming trend all in play because of the amount of daylight we will be gaining here in Portland. 88 minutes, so those sunrises getting earlier, the sunsets getting later as well. All of this ridge of high pressure is the culprit for the warmer than average temperatures we've been enjoying as of late, and for Easter Sunday, as this cutoff low and a trough of low pressure remains just to our north, helping to bring temperatures down over the next several days. But a gradual warming trend is taking shape. By Thursday, we start to get the influence of that ridge and some more southerly winds aloft that will help to warm things back up into the 70s, as our futurecast keeps us dry, mostly clear and sunny as we work our way into much of the day on Tuesday. That's going to be the same scenario as we move all the way through Friday. It's not until this weekend that we start to shake up our weather pattern a bit. So if you've yet to do your lawn work, now is a good time to do just that over the next several days, as the dry, sunny, and warm skies remain, helping to melt down our snowpack down by about 10 inches, unfortunately, for places like Timberline Lodge, as opposed to where we ended up back on Friday, as that snow deficit for Timberline Lodge still remains close to about 8 feet. Tonight, we keep those skies mostly clear, temperatures only falling back into the 40s, calm winds. Tomorrow, we enjoy that sunshine yet again, but temperatures down 10 to 15 degrees in many cases. Afternoon highs for the valley into the low to mid 60s as the sunshine carries us all the way through Friday. It's not until Friday night, which is also the peak of the heat, 74. That's when that scattered shower rain potential once again returns into Saturday, Sunday. Not a super soaker, but a few heavier rain showers, a very real possibility. But if you started those flower beds, at least you get the free water.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much, Josh. Appreciate the good news.
Yeah.
All right. We'll be right back.